Hi, my name's Edward Plant.
I'm Rebecca Plant.
And we're the owners and runners of the Business League. And we've got you down to come to our next breakfast on Wednesday the 3rd of July.
The Wednesday, it's my mum's birthday, just so you're all aware. But we are excited to see you because it is going to be a really fantastic morning that showcases one of our very good friends and also super duper impressive businessman, Damian Papworth, who has grown himself from bankrupt to multi-million-dollar global operation in 5 years.
And so we wanted to welcome you, just let you see who we are, tell you a bit about the breakfast that Beck's just done, and let you know some of the logistics of doors open at 6:30, breakfast starts at 7 a.m, we finish at 9 a.m, we'll have a chance to catch up and meet you in the middle of the breakfast, but please come and say hi and introduce yourselves, and we'll finish at 9 o'clock. Bring business cards, and if you've got any dietary requirements, let the team know. Otherwise, come ready. We'll introduce you to a heap of awesome business owners on the morning, and you're going to have a great day.
It's going to be fantastic, and I'll see you there.
We'll see you on Wednesday the 3rd.